If you live a sedentary life and you want to change your lifestyle, here are some exercises you can start with. I made a list. It's only going to take 90 seconds. We're going from head to toe, literally starting with our neck. You might feel this area really stiff. And of course, we're going to do our shoulders. We're going to do some shoulder circles in the reverse direction. We're doing 10 to 15 repetitions each. Now let's open up that chest and flex those back muscles. This is a great way to improve your posture as well. Okay, now let's do some air push-ups. It might not seem much, but just going through the motion will awaken those dormant muscles. Now let's release that lower back as well as engage our core muscles. We're gonna do some torso twists. Nice and gently follow your range of motion. Wake up those stiff fingers and hands by doing open and closing. And of course, those hip flexors. We're simply marching in place. Now we're gonna open up those hips even more by going a bit to the side. Again, follow your natural range of motion. Again, doing 10 to 15 repetitions per leg. Now let's wake up those knees by doing some knee extensions. Control it on the way up, especially on the way down. You don't have to lock out your knees completely, just wake up those quad muscles. All right, now those calves, those are important too. We're just simply going to lift our heels off the floor, promoting circulation in our calves. Now let's bring that circulation into our ankles as well. We're doing 10 to 15 circles in both directions. Now the last one is optional. If you can, let's finish off with a few sit to stands. Remember, always do what you can. You got this.